Today we're going to make a lamp out of copper pipe. This video is a design demonstration only. Working with electricity can be dangerous, so all electrical tasks should be performed by a licensed electrician, and any electrical project should be inspected by an electrician prior to plugging in. I'm going to use copper reducer fittings to make a housing for a Cree brand light bulb. I was able to find some fittings that fit into each other, but for other ones I had to cut small pieces of either 3/4 inch pipe or 1/2 inch diameter copper pipe to make little bridges between them. I used my tube cutter to cut the pipes. This is actually really easy to do. I'm going to use a straight coupling about 9 inches below where the light bulb is. This is going to give me a little ridge in the copper, which is going to give me more options for installing the lamp. I'm going to use a candelabra-sized cord and socket set to wire this lamp. I threaded the pieces of wire through the copper pipes before reconnecting them. Once the lamp is all wired up, I'll use Gorilla Glue to secure the pieces of copper to each other. Gorilla Glue works best when the copper is slightly damp, so I used a rag to wet the copper just a little bit. The Gorilla Glue expands and foams up a little bit, which is why you get a nice secure connection, but you have to clean it up a little bit as it dries. I use steel wool to polish the copper. Now there's a lot of different ways you could mount this copper lamp. I decided to make a shelf out of a nice piece of 2x4. I drilled some holes that were the same diameter as the 1/2 inch copper pipe and then used my circular saw to cut in between the holes. I sanded the shelf smooth with my orbital sander. I'm going to use a plug-in touch dimmer to control the light. I just press the copper pipe right into the groove that I had cut in the board, and I used the straight coupling to keep the pipe from sliding down past the hole. I used some wide L brackets to fasten the shelf to the wall. The plug-in touch dimmer is actually really cool. You can control the light just by touching it. This was a really easy project and I love how clean and minimal it looks. For more detailed instructions, check out my website, and if you want to see what I'm working on next, be sure to follow me on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Thanks, bye.